You know, what happened to me was the castle nut was like rust welded on there, and it ended up being a total bitch. I actually had to go ahead and remove the axle and take the whole spindle off. So basically this video is about how you can reset your ABS and traction control light with just a paper clip. So it's actually not on right now, but I'm going to go through with you guys how to do it exactly. So if you look down here, nobody here online knows how to do it. So this OBD2 port is right under your knee, your right knee on the driver's side, right above the gas pedal. And there's some pins in here. So basically you could do this without a scanner. So 4 pins from the left on the top and 4 pins from the right on the bottom is going to reset your ABS light. So basically that's pins number 4 and 13. So if you don't know which ones those are, it's going to be this one here on the bottom, the 4th one from the right, and the 5th one from the right on the top, or the 4th one from the left on the top. So if you guys don't follow that, I'll show you really quick. It's going to look something like that. 4 from the right on the bottom, and 5 from the right on the top. So that's really easy. So you're going to go ahead, you're going to insert that. If I had to reset it here, that's what you would do. After you're going to leave that paper clip in there, and then basically you put your foot on the brake, you turn the car on to ready mode, and then basically you'd hit the brake 8 times quickly, and then you'd see the lights, they'd all come on, and then they'd all come on together, they'd all come on together, they'd all come on together, and then basically the car is reset and the ABS light will go away. So thank you very much, guys, for sticking through to my video, and you know, like the video if you liked it, if you're all about the Prius or if you're all about the pre-runner. Either way, you know, we're gonna have some cool stuff coming up on this channel, and you know, maybe I'll do a diesel video, or you know, probably start posting a little bit more. So please subscribe, you know, and I'd love to see you guys soon. So have a great day, and cheers.